Hi y'all, it's Kim with Chuchi Kalori. Today I'm going to try to save this painting that I did not like, and we're going to go over it with some very colorful ribbons using my silicone split cup, just an orange, a white, a silver, and a little black in there. Just going to make some overlapping lines, give it some depth. Let's give it a little spin and see what this looks like. I think we got something to work with here. I'm going to do just a couple more modifications, and we're going to turn this into something really beautiful. Stay tuned till the end, and I'm going to show you how to convert this into a record. Now once this is completely done and dried, I let it dry for a couple days. Then I put a top coat on it of spray varnish. That seals the paint, makes it all nice and shiny and protected. Let that dry for a day or two. Then we can work with it. All right, one more spin. You got some nice lines, some little bit of lacing, some good overlay for depth, nice bright colors. This will make a gorgeous decorative bowl. All right, so we're going to use our oven. I use it at 175 Fahrenheit. The back's been all cleaned. I place it on any type of metal cylinder on a cookie sheet. Carefully place that in the oven. Now all ovens vary, obviously. I do about 4 minutes. Keep an eye on it. You want it to look like this. If you're putting the design on the outside of the bowl, the record needs to flop all the way down when it's melted like this. The sides are all the way down. I'm just putting on some little silicone fingertips. I got these at Dollar Tree, just so that I can handle it. It is obviously hot. And you don't really want to be getting your fingerprints on there, or, you know, that fuzzy oven glove like I have there. Keep it nice and pristine. At this stage, you can see you can still mold it, make your folds. Takes about a minute because you want it to set back up and get firm again as it cools. And it's ready. You got a beautiful decorative bowl. These make great gifts. I had a woman once bought 15 of them for Christmas presents for her entire family. Also, just a lot of fun to make. They turn out pretty cool. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Appreciate you watching. Ciao.